All right. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard, everybody. Let's go do a little trading today, huh? Let's do a little trading today. How's everybody doing out there? All right, Rue, welcome aboard. Rory, what's happening? All right, we're live, huh? Great. Good job trading, Rory. Woo. What a morning session, huh? Rue, did you catch some of that goodie today so far? Things are cranking, aren't they? That's right. Let's go. It's Miller time, Rory Powers. Let's see if we can make some money, have some fun today. We've got a little bit of action going on, trying to get this live account over $3,000 here. Just tipping on the toe of $3,000 for my live account. Got a PA account here. Did a little bit of work on it. Caught 884 so far this morning. Man, what a move, huh? I've got a couple of trades going on right now with the live account. Right here's the open P&L. Running a couple of strategies upstairs here. Got a gold strategy and a signal B on the NQ. We're running those up there. Let's get a couple of them set up down here. See if we can get the accounts cranking down here. So let's get these set up. If you're new here, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. Also own Right Line Funding. So we have funding if you're looking for the chance to try to buy an account and make a little bit of cash. Jump in the ring here with us and see if you can do that. I'll show the leaderboard in a minute. I think Dan Tomaselli. Let's go, Dan. I think Dan's in the leaders chair so far. So look at Dan there and see how he's doing. Let me see if I can grab that over here real quick. Actually, I want to get a strategy going first so we can watch that thing trade. We've got the ES in a little bit of a pullback now. Man, we had a heck of a run here. I caught this long move, long entry right here, going all the way up on the ES. Caught that for almost a $900 winner there. NQ's fading a little bit on us upstairs. Let's take a look at the NQ and the ES right in front of us. Okay, looking at the NQ on the left. Wow, Steven. Whew. RJ, way to go. Got the RJ star cranking again. So I was telling you guys yesterday, I wasn't sure exactly how much it's up, but it's up 17,000 since I installed it on this machine right here. This is a really good way to see if your strategy is worth trading or not. And what I mean by that is when we load them onto your computers, they all come in at 100,000 of cash value, and it's the account and it's how much the account has in it. It's simulated cash. But it starts at $100,000, and if your bot trades and it loses 1,000, it's down to 99,000. But if it makes 1,000, it's at 1,000. I'm sorry, 100,001. So this one's made 17,000 since I installed it on this computer, and it just adds every day. If it made 1245 right here today, it just puts it in the bank and adds it to it. So it must have been, yesterday it was what, 116 yesterday. Now it's 117. So that's kind of how that works. We got here the Moneymaker drone. It's up 12 grand. My Moneymaker bot's up 4 grand since we loaded it. The ES Star drone is down, 300. So these are the leaders, the lead dogs for today. Rory Powers was trading earlier, and man, his power play was crushing it. Hey, Mark. Good morning. Yeah, so let me show you. Let's get some going here. So I'll show you kind of how the bots work to get set up, and put them onto your prop accounts over here. So we'll get the what I like to do is I like to take a look around my chart and see who's doing good, right? Who's kicking ass today? And today the ES, I've got 3 of them here up on my leaderboard. What I typically do is I look here. Okay, today this one's doing really good, but it was also doing good for a long time. It's up 12 grand since I installed it. This RJ is up 17. But again, I know these strategies very well. The RJ star takes about 1 or 2 trades a day, so it's more than like. In fact, it's done trading at 11. We have these, bots set to trade at certain times of the day. Ideally the prime times for them. And this particular one shuts down at 11, so it's almost over for the day here for this guy. Keeping it in a small window also keeps you without in the right volume, the right markets basically. So I'll kind of pick one here that I know trades a lot. Our Leapfrog drone, that thing trades quite a bit, so that's a good one to trade live. In the ES scalper, those are always in trades, aren't they, Rue? Rue has a system, and he loved the scalper for a long time. Big fan of the scalper, and then he switched. I think he switched to the haymaker. Rude, how's that doing for you today? See if I don't have the haymaker here on my leaderboard here on this one. So I've got 3 machines running right now with this software. So I have down here that we're looking at right now. I used to call it's a client PC. It's the one that has the exact same strategies that we deliver to everybody. And then I have an R&D machine right above this that I also have trading. And that one I have trade my live account right now. So my live account is trading actively. It's in a trade. It's actually in 2 trades right now, one on the NQ and one on the gold. And I'm down, it looks like about 50 to $100 right now. So far today, I'm up 620 on that account. And then I've got the prop accounts here. These happen to be Apex Trader funding accounts. So I'll go ahead and get one set up like I was mentioning there for you, Mark. So, just doing my analysis here in front of me. I like the Moneymaker drone, and I like the ES Star. Those are always in trades, so those are good ones to trade here live. So let's get the star going again on this PA account. To do that, we'll go ahead and just create a new one. Now, if you bought the system from us, it would be much easier. What I mean by that, and I can just do it real quick. If you bought the system from us and you're just trying to figure out, hey, what one do I trade today? You can sort these in order, which is awesome. You can just double click here and you can see. So these are the worst ones for today. And then these are the best ones. And if this is my best one, it doesn't mean that it's like super awesome forever and ever and ever. No, it means that it kicked ass today so far. And if I wanna just like hijack it and put my live account on it or a prop account, so you just go here to I right clicked on it and I'm going to edit the strategy. So I'm going to change the account name. And I would never typically do this because we have these things trade into these SIM accounts with the same name all the time so that the data is accurate. But all we would do is if you'd buy our system and you wanted to put it on your prop account, you would just change it right here where it says account. And now I go find my PA account here. This is my one of my prop accounts. So I'm going to put that as my prop account. So now this strategy is going to trade into this bank account, into this prop account right here. So I'm going to hit see, that thing rolled around a little bit when I rolled my mouse there. I don't know if anybody saw that, but now my, here we go. PA is in there. So I just hit OK. Turn it on and it's off to the races. Now it's sensing the market prices, all the indicators that we have here programmed behind the scenes. So it's doing its thing back here, what it's supposed to. It's in here trying to look for the best opportunity to jump into the market. What I mean by that is there's a lot of parameters inside this strategy that we've built and tested and tested and tested to try to enter at the best time. Again, all technical. The bots here they don't care about anything except the technicals when it comes to price and the chart. All the different indicators is what it's looking at. So it doesn't use emotions whatsoever, which is great because I'm wrong more than I'm right. Let's put it that way. That's what I've figured out since I've been trading. I'm wrong more than I'm right. And one thing that we do as well with these strategies is we have defined stops and targets. So you don't have to worry about, being perfect and knowing how many ticks. We do all that for you. Again, I've been measuring these charts and these moves for about 3 years now, since we've been developing this software. So yeah, I got a great idea of how far to sort of let a strategy go into the red as far as your stop loss goes. We're not perfect. We're not perfect, but our risk to rewards are usually set up in your favor so that you can make a little bit of money there. Yeah, Mark, I've been trading Apex for years now with these bots. I've never had one problem. I've got paid out several thousands and thousands of dollars throughout the years. They actually, sort of first when I started, it was kind of, I'll say, a gray area. They then released I guess, like the rule changes, and now they explicitly say that they call it, I think, semi-automated bots are okay. That means that I'm sitting here in front of it watching it. It's not a high frequency bot. We don't do high frequency trades. You could. We don't. I don't have any strategies built for high frequency, but it could. You definitely could. But anyways, we typically try to take big chunks of the market. So we're talking points. When we make a trade, we're looking for about, it depends on what strategy you have in front of you, but a lot of these ES strategies, we're looking for 20 points on the ES, which is significant moves. Um, that's how we, hopefully end up with some, really profitable strategies as we've, pulled in the risk to reward in our favor. Created quite a few fun little things in the process. Like we've got this little leapfrog strategy now where when it gets close to the target will kind of move away and the stop will move behind you. All right, Rory hit a home run with the frog, huh? Sweet. Yeah, the only one that I haven't used, I used the bot, but I haven't got paid yet is Take Profit Trader. I actually quit trading them actually too. Um, but they do explicitly say no bot, so I haven't got a payout from Take Profit Trader. So that's the one that I wouldn't. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't got payouts from 'em. That's what I always try to say is, kind of my own experience. I don't know. I don't know Take Profit Trader yet, um, but I don't think they allow it. Oh, okay, Mark. Yeah, definitely. If you want to look right in the description below, in the YouTube, we have a couple links in there. The first one is the link right to our auto trader right here, this software. And you can click on that. And then I think the next one is a coupon code. So if you click that coupon code, you put your email address in there, boom, you're all set. If you want to just send us an email, we got an email at support@rightline trading. I'm going to type it in here for you. support@rightlinetrading.com. You can just drop us an email there, Mark, and we'll definitely get you set up, show you more information, whatever you'd like to see there. We have these bots in the market all day, and a lot of them are programmed, like I mentioned, to stop and start at very specific times that we know are profitable from the past. So my bot just jumped in up here on the NQE or M and Q. So we'll get those going down here too. You can run several communications. Yeah, look forward to joining our community, Mark. Got a couple other Marks. One with the C's from England, and great member of the community. One thing the community members do, Mark, let me just show. I know you're on your way out there. Thanks for joining us today, but We have a great Discord community, and a lot of people share information back here. So it's a team. It's a team. It's not just me. There's quite a few of us. We post the daily results every day of how the bots are doing, which ones are winning, and then which ones are losing, so we know. And then we post it every week as well. But we've got a software collab or strategy collaboration channel back here where quite a few people share information on what they're learning from their own strategies. We then take that information and develop our strategies here, and then give them back to you guys with the benefits. From everybody. So RJ, he created this RJ Star. Again, I mentioned that's one of our numero unos. Okay, Mark, you're from Canada. We got Suzanne's up there. She's one of our best traders. She's been a member of our community for probably 2 years or so, but very, very active and knowledgeable. So, and I grew up in Michigan, so I was right next door, we could say. We used to go to Windsor quite a bit to, go see the big city over there, Detroit and Windsor. Those are the good old days. Okay, we jumped in here. The old ES Star jumped in for me. So it just jumped in. It's going to go try to take a short trade. We've got the market just drifting away now. Looking at a break-even trade here. We just jumped in the ring. I've got the yellow. This yellow dash line is our VWAP. So the volume weighted average price is right here. So not the best place to enter, but it's the average price since midnight. So the way our VWAP works is it readjusts at midnight, and then it just does a volume weighted average for the price. So we're up $75 here on this quick little trade now. Mark, you can kind of see on this particular strategy, we let a lot of leeway here, up and down, for the market to make its moves before we capitalize. We've got some smart stop action going on too. So once price does, if it does, drift down into our range, our stop flies down and takes the risk off the trade. So there's a lot of action that's actually going on behind the scenes here that we don't necessarily see in front of us. I'm going to take a gold strategy from my other computer, bring it down here, and I'll show you guys how to take a strategy from somebody else or whatever and use it. What I could do is I could actually put it in Discord and then grab it right out of Discord. How about that? I'll drop it in the strategy collaboration channel for you. I've been trading this gold nugget here on a 15 range and doing really well with it. I want to share it with you guys so you have it. I'll put it in the strategy collaboration channel. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of this one machine, my R&D machine, and move it to Discord, and then we'll grab it out of Discord here and bring it into the strategies here, and then we'll get her going. We'll get her going because the gold's been moving nicely. Gold was sleeping for a while, but I'll tell you, it is super active now. It's worth trading again. So I'm going to get that gold nugget, 15 range. Share that with you guys. These strategies are really just kind of Excel templates. So it's really easy to grab them and install them. So we'll get you the gold nugget, 15 range. Been a beauty for me. I was really surprised. Copy. I'm going to copy it into Discord. I'm going to put it into the strategy collaboration channel. Maybe we can watch that all right here too in front of us. I'll minimize it so we can watch chart too. Guess it won't go any smaller. So I'll put her in here. Copy. Hmm. 4,000. Oh, wow, Rue. That's impressive. I think it was 37. What are we at now? 36, 37? Yeah, I see 4,000 definitely. We're right on the doorstep, it appears. Okay, so I dropped it in. I dropped it in here. Here's a gold strategy that's been doing pretty good for me. Check it out and tweak it. So what I'm going to do here now on this machine, I'm just going to hit the download button. So it moved it into my my folder here. Should be able to click that little folder. The folder brings open this dude. So now I've got it right here. I copy it, move it into the NinjaTrader folder where the templates belong. So they belong in the this folder here, NinjaTrader 8, and then templates, then strategy, 'cause it's strategy template. This one's the RLA Auto Trader P. So now I can paste it right here. Boom. So I pasted this guy right here. So now I'm going to go to my my NinjaTrader control chart and go grab that guy and bring it in. So we're going to go here, do a new strategy, and grab this gold guy, go open my template, load. Now go find it. This one's AI GC 15 range gold nugget. All right, there it is. So all the settings are all set, just like they are on the machine above me. The one that we take a look at is always the instrument. The instrument reverts to the last one that I had set up. So we're going to go find gold. It's in the futures. And it's the GC December 25. That's what instrument we're trading with this particular strategy. And right now I don't have the account set up for this one yet. So we're just going to trade at the 101 for now. We have a tool built where we can actually overwrite accounts and we don't have to have the sim in front of it. But for now, let's just get it going. We just want to make money with it. We don't care about the terminology. Okay, looking back at the chart here, we got this, we're still in this trade. Looks like I lost my NinjaTrader. Let me bring back my live account. So when you log into NinjaTrader, this is a live NinjaTrader brokerage account. And to get this guy going, oh boy. Got a sneaky guy out there trying to scam us, so I can't be showing too much information. Social media is rough. Being public is rough. There's always somebody trying to take your head off. Pisses me off. Here we go. Okay, so NinjaTrader brokerage account here. Right here in this panel here, I've got the Apex account. So we bounced off the VWAP there with the ES. Kind of afraid of that. We'll see. So kind of like watch the NQ out of the corner of my eye, and usually on the same chart. So we'll get the NQ up too. The NQ moves a little bit quicker, and they're definitely correlated. So we wanna keep our eye on both of them here. The NQ can get away quick on us. Rue, did you trade today? Are you making any money? What are you trading? Rue is one of our numero uno members of the community. Rue, thanks for joining us. Really appreciate all your help and involvement here. Looks like the NQ is definitely turning. That was a definite pivot down there, wasn't it? Woo! She is rotating out. And we're looking at the Leapfrog drone here. We'll see what happens on the ES right here. If it gets a little too far away from us, we might go ahead and abort that one, which I typically don't do, but a few conditions here that get me thinking differently. This bounce off the VWAP is something that this thing does on a normal basis here. Let her ride. Let her ride. So this strategy right here is trading to this account, 477. Let me do a couple things here. I'm going to bring open so you can see the account name. I hide those because it's the same name typically until we start trading, another account. Then it changes obviously. So I just want to look at the account and get it up here to where I see the I didn't start the gold nugget. Here we go. So this strategy right here, our ES star is trading to this account, this PA account, 477. We're about break even right now on the trade. It's this trade right here. Trying to go short. This is my target down here, way down here. This is my stop way up here. So these one trade, if it would stop all the way out, is think it might be $1,000 trade, win or loss. Okay, nice drop. That was beauty. That was beautiful for us here, for the home team. That was awesome. Nice move. Just put us back in the driver's seat a little bit there, that little pullback. We got below price, but now we're back. So that thing's bouncing off the VWAP, pretty heavy duty here. Think that might have been a liquidity grab right there. That might have been a liquidity grab. That was definitely a liquidity grab there, wasn't it? Anybody watching? Let me know what you think. Which way's the ES heading? Let me put it in the poll for you guys to help me out here. Okay, there we go. Maybe you guys give me a handout here so I know what to do on this trade. I have a feeling we're going short is what the indicator told me earlier, but you know, markets change. Looks like we're setting up maybe for a bounce, but we'll see. Look like I entered on an A short trade, so that's interesting. Rarely do you have these two kind of fighting each other. If you're going up on the NQ, mostly you're going up on the ES. Almost correlated instruments. Not totally. A lot of times they're definitely related, huh? They may not be correlated 100%, but they're dang close. They're close. Let's go take a look at yeah, I'm in that gold trade. I've got a gold trade right now that I'm in upstairs here. Short trade, going gold short. I'm running just one on the MGC, just one contract. I was trading 5 the other day, and man, it hit me quickly. I was down 250 on a live account here, and I was like, oh gosh, I didn't even mean to. I was just starting the strategy, and it was doing well, so I thought I'd do 5 contracts, and that was a quick one, because it was still $5 a tick. That's a damn big move when gold moving that quick. So I'm just trading one now, trying to keep it real. I'm up $112 on that account on the gold nugget. Trading just one MGC so far today on that one. Okay, so we got the NQ wanting to go up. We got the ES trying to go down here. It's very unusual to be in this situation. One of them will win and take the other one with it. Okay, we got CHOP coming in at 67%. Yes, that's the truth right now. Look at this ES wanting to go lower and this NQ wanting to jump. This thing is very rare. I have a feeling the NQ is gonna win. I mean, VWAP is here. I have a feeling this thing's gonna pop up, but we'll see. We'll let it do its thing here. See if the NQ can get a little bit weaker. If it does, it's gonna drag this ES down quick, I think. Oh man. NQ just wants to go up, so this ES is just dragging right here. Let's go ahead and close this, not close it down, but like let's not be a fool. Let's let this thing run up if it's going to go ahead and run up here. So you can play both charts pretty good here with our software too. You can see the momentum on the NQ is just going up. So you don't really want to fight the tide if you can see it here. Nobody ever knows exactly what it's going to do, by the way. I'm wrong most of the time. That's why it's funny, if I just let them go, I turned them on at night the other day and slept through it, and then I woke up and I had like $1,000, and I thought, yes, I didn't get to screw with it all night, and it did awesome. That's the way it rolls. Let's get this leapfrog going. This thing's it's getting really hot right here, so let's not ignore it. I'm gonna do a new strategy. Gonna get this leapfrog. Go grab it. Let me bring this over so you can see it. So I'm gonna go grab my load the leapfrog. Leapfrog drone right there. We'll get this guy going on this account also. I've got these other ones too. Let's get it going on a few of them. Oh, they're too close. What is this? 477. Okay, so I'm just gonna go change the account. This back on the NQ. Get that PA account working here. This leapfrog's doing pretty good in front of us, so let's go see what it can do for us. Oh, here's the pullback we were thinking of. Man, that was a toughie, though. It's okay. We made a little bit of money on it. We were at 880, I think, and we made 10, 20 bucks. So there's nothing wrong with making a couple of dollars, but we'll see. So the leapfrog just jumped in going long. Signal C. 1111. Good luck, everybody. That's the angel number. Trying to go long. Now now that we're in on actually didn't get that trade with the leapfrog here. Let's see. Let's see here. Frog. Okay. Frog drone. So we'll just watch this leapfrog do its thing here, and then I'll close it and save it just to make sure I have the exact same settings. So this one flies up. This stop flies up as soon as we hit the $350 mark. I think the big juicy trades might be behind us so far this morning. The way it's looking, huh? The big juicy ones are slip sliding away. We got this ES just indecisive here. Again, this NQ is trying to drag it up. So let's get this trade over with so I can save this guy and get it going. I'm not sure why it didn't take my trade here. Let's see. Let me go in and look. I sometimes... Let me look at something, make sure the times are set to where it'll trade right now. Nope. It's only set, oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's the way we set them for 24 hours of trading. Okay, so that's proper. Go down here to this one and say what's going on. Leapfrog, where are you at? So it leapfrogged. Let's go ahead and kill this guy. Need to go save the strategy settings. So that when I grab it, I want to make sure that it's exact same settings so that when I grab it, it makes the exact same trade. To do that, I'm just going to copy these parameters and then make sure when I load it, it's got those same ones. So I get that one going again, but now I go back up to this other one that I had and just go reload it and make sure I added it. Again, if you buy our system, you don't do any of these gymnastics I'm doing here. I'm just doing it so that I can keep the leapfrog running, saving the money to the account without it, missing trades. Okay, so we got the leapfrog up and rolling now on the live account or the prop account here. I got a nice trade on the live account going long on the NQ. Got four M and Qs. I'm in a gold trade too. Try to get this thing back above 3 grand again. Come on, baby. This leapfrog will jump in here real soon. Real soon. So you can play these strategies, right? Just like just like horse racing. Play a particular strategy, especially if you see the horse is winning. Like, take the lead dogs. So we had a little pivot there, probably stopping me from getting in that trade, I'm guessing. We put 60 ticks between price and pivots. Boy, good thing I aborted this guy. Been upside down a bit here. Nice move to the upside on the NQ. Caught a beauty. All right, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Rue, China's purchasing our gold. Is that what it is? Not our gold. I guess, is it our gold? Is it a U.S. gold, or where does the gold come from? That's interesting. I don't know the answer to that. I assume it's U.S. gold. We've got professional options trader David Wise coming up right after me at 11:30. He'll be jumping in the ring here to share some of his options trades with you. If anybody likes options trading, he's got the trigger. So here's how my leaderboard's shaking out today. I've got the ES Star drone. It's up at 1800. My moneymaker drone's at 16. My moneymaker bot's at 14. And the RJ Star is at $1,200. That's how the big board's shaking out here. Caught a ride on the ES scalper earlier for my PA account. Caught it for $900 or I think it was 880. And then over here in my live account, I'm trading a couple of strategies right now. One on the M&Q 4 contracts, and then the gold nugget, that 15 range that I put down here. I'm trading that. It's up 112 bucks. It's in a trade right now. It's in a trade. I'm up $8. How about you guys out there? Anybody make any money today? It was a great day to trade. Man, we needed this. Whew. Took one on the chin yesterday during the news. Jesus. That was a damn doozy. Chopped around most of the afternoon. I was like, what? Thought it was going to be straight up or straight down, but nope. Okay, getting a little pullback here. We're going to do a pullback and go, hopefully, here. Get us some trade under us here. Looks like my ES star. Oh, no, I'm on a different chart. We'll see. We'll see. I like to look at Unarenko bars. When I trade, it makes it look a lot smoother than reality. But what we actually trade on the particular strategies is really a 30 range. So it's not looking at this chart setup at all. It's looking at a totally different setup. All right, Duke. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Appreciate you joining our broadcasts. Great member of the community, Duke. Thank you. Again, sorry I don't accept DMs in Discord, but as you know, we had that scammer who's trying to take advantage of people. So, public warning: I have a scammer trying to be me or whatever you want to call it on Discord, and they've copied my picture and my name, and then they start asking you a bunch of questions about setting up accounts and all this other BS. I don't do that. I actually don't even. I don't DM really in Discord because I know it's a little bit shady. So I just don't do it and stay away from it. But be aware that there's some scammers trying to I don't know, steal your money. That's usually what they're up to. Looking like a bounce off 24,800 on the NQ here. Trying to climb back to 24,800. And it's going to do it. Can't find a trend to jump in here. We're waiting. This is part of the patience game with trading. Just waiting for the perfect technical setup on the chart, unfortunately, to take a trade. All right, we got the poll coming in at 50% bullish now. That was a good call. That was a good trade. Good change there. It was bouncing off the VWAP here. We saw that. She bounced all right. We caught this nice, this little cross right down here on this. It's really a full cross, but I kind of have it cut off here in the chart. This is really our signal C entry. So that would have been a long, it's a green cross, it's a long entry. If it's a red cross, it's a short entry. So right here we got indecision. We dropped below on the stochastic oscillator, but then we jumped right back up. So it kind of did a little flutter right at the 50% range. So we're really at balance in price right now. It's really what we call balance, where price is really just kind of staying, not letting momentum push one side or the other right here. I'll move these other strategies down that are trade my live account tomorrow, so that we can watch those things. They're more active than this other one for this prop account. They're a lot more active. That's the way I like to trade. Always try to keep a trade open, just in case. Just in case. She's a flying. Got a nice trade right there. Come on, baby. Tap on the 3 grand for us. There we go. Nice drop. Nice drop. All right. So I'm running the NQ. I got 4 contracts on the MNQ down here. Up here. Oh, shit. Huh. Oh, well. I accidentally closed it. It started again, though. She jumped right back in. Signal B's hot, going short. That one's running an 8 Unarenko. Super hot strategy. What I mean by hot is it takes a lot of trades because it's an 8 Unarenko, so that thing's always flying. And I lost that one. Okay, so we took a long trade here finally. We're in our account. We got the leapfrog rolling, hopefully going long here. Come on, leapfrog. Let's go, leapfrog. Let's go, leapfrog. So I have the Leapfrog drone right here, strategy, trading to this PA account right here. And it's also right here. So 477 is right here. And we kind of see the price change. It's like every couple of seconds or whatever. It's a little bit of an update issue with the RTrader Pro. But you'll see price change eventually. Let's go leapfrog. Let's go leapfrog. Setting up for a long trade here, trying to push through 24,800 one more time today. Come on, leapfrog. Big move to the upside. In and on my live account too, going long. Took 4 contracts, rated at 24,800. Everybody's going long here. And we got a $200 trade on the Apex account. OPA, come on, baby. Brought this one back from the dead today. This one was a gowner. You get paid at 26,500 here. Quick paydays for these these $25,000 accounts. Quick paydays. I've got paid on a lot of these 25,000s now. That's the ones I would definitely recommend if people want to trade these suckers. These are the quickest ones to payday. You don't get as much. You get 750, but that's still a good amount of money. If you have 5 of them, that's a hell of a lot of money. I had 5 one time. I was like, yeah, baby, let's go. That was serious payday. That can change a month for you. Even me. That was a big month. Okay, bumped right into my time here with David Wise. We have a heck of a good trade here going. We'll hope for the best. Keep your fingers crossed for me, will you? Everybody, appreciate you joining today. Let's jump back in the ring tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, Free Cash Friday. Let's go. Let's go make some money, have some fun tomorrow. I'm gonna keep this thing rolling here, and hopefully we'll continue to the upside. But looks like it's gonna do a little pullback on me. But thanks again for joining me today, guys. Really appreciate you being part of the community and sharing with the rest of us here all your good ideas and the way you think the market's heading. Have a great day, guys. Bye now. Uh-oh, this thing's coming against me. Uh-oh.